I came all the way from Cagayan de Oro to Manila just to taste this Diwata Paris Overload. Thank you. Oh, wala naman. And then, garlic. In fairness, ang rami ng garlic na dito
Ay, sakala niyo uuwi na tayo. Di tayo uuwi. Actually, nahanap ko na si Diwata.
6/10.
Let's go.
From CDO to Manila just to be here. And then I'm actually quite disappointed. I thought parang PBB daw yung linyahan dito eh.